I did some stuff. There is a surprise what I want to show you guys. It's not story. So we have a baby villager. But this baby villager is not being found. And we can try to breed with him and breed the villagers. Then we get more in. So now I need to do is get wood. Only a stick because I don't want to do so much. I only get to a stick. I'm not gonna be so lazy. I'm actually lazy. I just need some food out. I was fishing. I don't think this So what I need is over stick. This is not a goal. So guys, I want to talk to you guys. I'm very thankful that some of you guys subscribe to me. Thank you. I just want to thank you guys. I see that I have 36 subscribers. That is something to me. Thanks for you guys who subscribe to me. I'll write one of your guys' names if you comment on this video. Guys, I have over stick of wood. Why won't you grow? Get a job, baby. Get a job. Okay, I'm being a rule because I need to have one baby because I'm still young. So I have over stick of wood. I'm doing up my inventory. Only this. Only this. With the first and oldest shooting to friends. So it doesn't let's just do this. Okay, I need to clean up my inventory. Why was it so talking? So guys, there's pretty much nothing to do. I don't know what else to do. I need to open all this baby villager toys, but I have over 70 emeralds. And I do not know what to buy. Anything you tell me about Tubo. Let's see anything about Tubo. Should I take it or should I not? So I need to go on for some fish. So yeah, I need some bones. Oh wait, another fish. Okay, give me string. Give me string. I need string. Give me string. I need string. I need to go the string too. This too. That's enough. So I need to watch a video how to make a string too, guys. So all I need is 2 threads and cheese in a hole. Like let me see. Okay. Now I think I just hold this one. Oh, it's a trident. I hope I can kill him. I'll drop it later, of course. So what I heard, you need a bucket of water. And you need to place it down. Oh, I need to watch. I forgot I need to watch something. I'm a being a little guys. Okay guys, I got it wrong. I need yes, the stick and wood. The stick and wood. I need two of it. Wood left. Sorry. I need to just go on now for 2 wood. This is so easy. I need to go on for 2 wood. And also block like this. So it's a block like this. And 2 water here. So guys, the Scooby Doo does not get probably works in the other version. But now I have some bread. It's already 3, 4 by each one. So let me see it. If I can so guys, I was able we have a farmer now. So I can now breed the villagers. I need to breed. I wonder how much soldier is in. So let me see. Okay, now I can do it. So now that I have 30 bread, I can say the spread out of the villagers 3 by 3 I heard. Well, I heard by mine, by a YouTube video, you need 3 each for village to feed them. And I'm seeing it's just 2 limited. I want to give this guy because he needs to wow breed each villager. So let me see. I'm hoping this stuff, but it feels like villagers are hoping it big. need to do now for second. I tried to make guys, I tried to make a string duper, but it doesn't work. So now the only thing what I can do is harvest my sugarcane and turn it into books. Since I have lots of like 20, I have 20 leather in my 20 leather in my house. Okay, let's do this a little bit faster. Whoa, is this too much? Okay, I think I have over more than 50. Also hosted. Then I might. There's so much on my mind. I'm gonna get this later. Why is this stuff going so fast, Vic? That's enough. I don't think a whole stack will be enough to make books. I need enchanted books. And I don't even care for diamonds, which I might need to search later on. So wait, some sugarcane is. If I get 2 sticks, how much is this later? I have a pumpkin farm and a strawberry farm. It only does for just eat strawberry. Like almost. I have 2 steps already. So let me see. I swear I saw some sugarcane. And there's more growing. So I can't believe people on YouTube say that string dupers work. It doesn't work, I swear. I might need to build a string duper in one of the episodes one day. So then I can have lots of emeralds. Where's another one? Why won't you? Okay, 16 must be enough. You holding the bread, you don't wanna make love. You don't wanna make love. Tell me why won't you wanna make love? Make love with one of them now. Okay. I'm streaming too much in the so I might need to give each 12. I need more villagers. Just take the bread and make a baby. Let me see how much do I guys make a baby. Oh, what I'm asking for. I love it. Is this guy holding the bread? You can give me the bread if you don't want it. So I need to throw some paper. I'm gonna throw paper. Wait, where's the leader? I've plenty leader. It's not enough, so yeah. So guys, so I'm having sand and turbulence. I'm running now low on emeralds. I bought all my emeralds done. Then I got it, of course. Start turning this into paper. I might need to go on for diamonds. Only way when I need to search the best way for diamonds. I need to mine later on. Let me see, do you throw papers now, do you? Do I need this? Only 8 people. So all I need is a pen. I want to show you guys something. Whoa. Someone kicked me out because... Okay. So guys... Wait a minute, what I wanted to do, I bought the machine wrong. I bought the stand loop wrong. I know how to build it now. Sorry about it. No. Okay. That's all my emeralds. Now I need to die. Sorry, I don't need to build the string loop. So you guys So that is two pieces. You guys know this group. Well, what do you guys don't know this group? So, see if I can kill some pets. If pets are outside, yeah. Yes. Why are they so fast? You done instead. Oh, I can just take this two string over here. So I need a piece of after I get 100 subs, I have to go to 1000 subs. It will, my game just kicked me out again. A little bit nicer. right over here. All I just need to do is take this. Open. And I need to just do one more. So if I do this, guys, if I do this in my talking basically, if I do this, you can see now you have a nice shield on you. You have a nice shield on you, guys. So what do you guys want to play for the football? How many times? Like and subscribe to everyone that already also here. My first reading. So guys, like and subscribe. Bye.